My name is Rina. I'm a functional podiatrist based in London. I'm a virtual practitioner for Gait and I run my own clinic here in the city. I have a special interest in treating foot and ankle injuries, including sports injuries and common foot pathologies. I am also a running technique coach and a yoga trapeze instructor. I love watching people walk and analysing their gait, and I've been doing it for 20 years. My career began as a traditional podiatrist where analysing gait was all about measuring angles, looking for excessive pronation and ways to control the foot from moving. That is very different to my functional approach today, which is more about efficiency. Is your walking and running gait efficient? Can your foot achieve all its tasks? Do you have movement variability? That is the information I'm looking for, and with that I create a plan with the aim to help you restore natural foot and ankle function and empower you with knowledge to help you achieve your goals. I look forward to working with you.